Hi everyone! Hey, I'm happy you're here. I'm gonna plan my classic happy planner for the next week in July. This week, and I did like how should I decorate, which I made this just random like pages that I've seen other people do, and I like the idea, so I decided I would want to do something like that in my planner. And I just randomly picked a number, and I got the reverse V, which I do know is a layout that oh man, why can I not remember her name now? I watch her videos a lot. I don't know. I will insert it in the screen, what her name is, what her video channel is, because I definitely want to give her credit. She posted like a whole video of like different ways to decorate a dashboard layout, and this was one of them. So I'm gonna try and doing that today. And then I pulled this out of this this planner, and they have colors in them. So the color is purple, so I went with a sticker book that has purple in it, and I thought it would look good. So let's go ahead and start planning. I'm going to do the habit tracker first. Okay, and then I probably should have whited out that focus box, but I didn't. Let's see what they have in here, if they have any like headers like that, but that say like to do or anything. I have not used this sticker book yet. Which is pretty crazy. Okay, I'm not seeing a whole lot of headers that will work, so we're gonna have to get a different header. Oh, we do have these, but I don't think that will really work either. No, I don't like those. So let's just get out the planner basics one and just do some basic to do. This one says do all the things. So then we just need, this can be the menu planner. I think we might just write in Maybe we do that thing like that. I don't know if I really like that, but it's done now. It's in ink, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so that's really all we especially need. We'll need somewhere to put like a workout box. We need to add a box for the night. So let's find one. Okay, and then that one will look cute too. Oh well. So the theme was like the upside down V. So like more decoration here and then on the edges. So let's work on getting some of that down. I think I just want to try and cut out that leaf. And then some around the edges. It'd be easier if I cut that first, but I don't know for sure if I'm done putting stuff in the middle. I just want to cut it one time down the middle. And I need something there. Maybe just like a strip of the washi that they had in here. Okay. Is that how we're gonna leave it? It's just so plain. Okay. It is really cute though. I just feel like I want a little bit more on the days of the week. I don't actually have anything happening that I know of. But I am planning this like for a good month in advance, so it just might not have happened yet. And they do have little bullet points. So I just figured I would add some of these in. And that might help be what I'm missing. So with the sticker books, like you could wrap them all the way open. feel like I want to take up one more of these bullet points and put in another box. Actually, I saw one of these gratitude boxes. I wonder if we stick it up here in the corner. And then I need a box for those workouts. Made it more like a rhombus. Is that what shape it is? I think it is. Yeah, I think that's where we're gonna leave it. So this was Beauty and Florals. I also used Planner Basics. Yeah, so that's my spread. Hit the like button if you like the video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, and the little notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos. And oh, I forgot to hold budget. Okay, so we're actually putting it in. Okay, simple but